In the previous lecture, we explored how to choose the right directories theme based on your niche and your long-term goals. Now it's time to implement that decision. In this lesson, you will learn how to properly install and activate a directories theme using both available methods. Let's move into execution. Official directories themes such as OneListing, 𝗏𝗏classified, 𝗏hotels, and 𝗏jobs can be downloaded directly from the directories website through your account dashboard. You can also install theme directly from your WordPress dashboard under directories theme and extension. To unlock full functionality, it is recommended to use the directories plugin together with an official supported theme, and always download from official or trusted source. Avoid unofficial version as they can compromise your website security. There are two primary ways to install a directories theme. Let's go step by step. Option 1, installing via download from directories website. First, go to the official directories website and click sign in. If you already have an account, log in. If not, click sign up and create your account. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard. From the left menu, click download. Here you will find directories plugin, themes and extensions. Select your desired theme, for example, 𝗏𝗏classified, and download either the main theme or the child theme. Once downloaded, go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add theme and upload theme. Now click choose file, then upload the zip file, click install now, then click activate. Your theme is now installed. Option 2, installing directly from the WordPress dashboard. Alternatively, go to WordPress dashboard, directories, then theme and extensions. Here, connect your directories account using the same email and password you used on the website. Then click connect. Once connected, you will see available themes. If you are using the pro version, your interface may look slightly different from the free version. To install a theme like 𝗏jobs, simply click install. After installation, go to appearance and themes. Click activate on your newly installed theme. And your theme is now active. After activation, you may see a prompt to install required plugins. Do not skip this step. These plugins ensure layout compatibility and full feature functionality. Most directories themes provide demo import functionality. This allows you to replicate the demo layout in just a few clicks. Before importing demo content, install any suggested plugins, including 𝗏𝗶𝗏𝗏 demo importer. Then navigate to Tools, 𝗏𝗶𝗏𝗏 demo importer, then import demo. The import process may take a few moments. Once complete, visit your homepage to verify that everything is functioning properly. If your layout, search bar and listing display correctly, your setup is successful. However, remember demo content is a structural reference, not your final product. After importing, replace demo listings, update images, adjust branding, and remove unnecessary pages. Use the demo as a framework, not as a finished website. At this stage, your theme and directories plugin are properly connected and your directory foundation is active. And now you can deactivate the 𝗏𝗶𝗏𝗏 demo importer plugin. Before moving forward, avoid these common mistakes. Do not switch theme repeatedly during early development. It creates unnecessary layout conflict. Do not ignore required plugin installations. Missing plugin often cause broken layouts. Do not begin heavy customization until functionality has been tested. Stability comes first. Customization comes later. Back up your entire site before adding the demo content. If important information is already in place, the importer might override it. Your theme is now installed and activated. In the next lecture, we'll take the next step and install Directorist Premium extension, the feature that turns your directory into a review generating platform. I'll see you in the next video.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.